Sandy Orser again for WW3331, your station for children's literature. Today, I'm reporting live from Orchard House, the home of Louisa May Alcott, the author of Little Women. This is the place where one of the best beloved novels in the history of children's literature took shape. Louisa and her family were the models for the characters in Little Women, and that makes the family she portrays very believable. In Module 4, the March girls, Meg, Jo, Beth, and Amy, are going to help you look at realistic and specifically domestic fiction, which has its roots in the home, the place where women could, supposedly, answer their highest calling. Somehow, I don't think Louisa May Alcott was completely sold on that idea. You'll definitely find the seeds of feminism in her most famous novel. Little Women reveals the other side of the writings from the golden age of children's literature. Even though our ideas of a woman's place in society have changed drastically since the late 1800s, Little Women is still popular with many young readers, especially girls and women. Although the story is set during the American Civil War, in which the girl's father is serving as a chaplain, Alcott stays a good distance away from the battlefield. In fact, she takes little note of the larger world that surrounds the March family and their acquaintances. Perhaps that's one reason Little Women remains a book that offers comfort and security to young readers, especially in these days of so much international unrest. The novel has at its heart John Bunyan's The Pilgrim's Progress, a book second only to the Bible in many early homes. However, there are fewer specifically Christian references in Little Women than in many other early books. Little Women is still a didactic novel with much to teach its readers, but the book gives evidence that the character of literature for young people is changing, however slowly. During Module 4, you will read both parts of Alcott's novel and the notes that will explain what you're reading. Make sure you take note of the academic article near the end of the module. Don't forget to do the 2 discussion posts, an answer to the question I've asked, and a response to the posting of at least one classmate. Remember to take part in the Collaborate session. In Module 4, you will find the topics for your second essay in the course. Realistic fiction like this novel is often a favorite with students who do not so much want to be taken to another world as to spend time in a fictional world to which they can relate. As you join the March family in their modest home to watch the sisters grow up, you will perhaps discover how satisfying the familiar can be.